Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. I'll be sharing live trades and results with you. We'll be evaluating how well these trades work out. We'll be benchmarking this against the S&P 500. I'm expecting to be outperforming it every month. Along the way, I'll also be sharing some lessons I've learned about investments, trading, and building wealth. And of course, the mandatory disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be interpreted as advice. And with that, let's get into it.
Well, trade 35 is off to a good start. Unfortunately, we missed the actual active trade, but here's what happened. We had taken an exit the day before. The market was just kind of hovering in this area here, and we decided to go ahead and make an entry. We're not going to be able to watch that live, but you can see that I do have an order in. I'm long with about 3,500 shares, and trade 35 is on. Well, I apologize that we didn't catch the actual trade and the entry on trade 35. I was taking a little walk out in the desert here, close to Page, Arizona, and I actually missed the entry, but you saw that we did make the entry. Let's take a look at what happened over the next couple days. All right, well, the next day the market took a big drop down. That was very unfortunate, and we just decided to stay in and see what happened. The following day, we were lucky the market recovered somewhat, and Adam decided that this is about the point we're going to get out. So we're going to go ahead and watch that exit live, and you can see our orders go in, and the trade is over, and trade 35 is over. Let's head over to our tracking sheet and see how we did. All right. Trade 35 closed on October 4th. I mentioned that September is typically a bad month, and it certainly was. Hopefully this is sort of the end of the bad trades. But the S&P, according to Yahoo, closed at 426.66. It was down 0.72% from our last trade position. And that brings the year-to-date total for the S&P 500 buy and hold strategy to 11.8%. I'll just kind of call out here, it was as high as 18%, so down to 11, down 7% or so, pretty significant. On our trade, we lost just about double what the S&P did, so we lost 1.52%. That brings our year-to-date total down to 24.97. We're down almost 10%, but again, we're trading the derivative, the doubles. So although the S&P is down about 7, we're down about 10. We're not down quite as much as 2 times. So at least that's some good news. Win rate's down to 69%. Profit factor 1.91. So we're a little bit below our metrics, so where we expect to be. But let's take a look at our charts because something interesting happened over here. I'm going to switch us over to our 3-year chart. Still reflects that the buy and hold strategy for the SPY is at 11.88. Our double strategy is at 24.97, so almost 25%. We are still significantly outperforming the S&P 500 buy and hold strategy, and that is all about what we are trying to do. I do want to call out this interesting thing too, though. We have surpassed just trading SPY, no derivatives. We have now exceeded the S&P buy and hold strategy as well. We actually made some additional gains from our prior trades. So all of our trading is positive. We're outperforming the S&P 500 by over twice. Hopefully we'll see some comeback here in the rest of the year. We have one more quarter here to go, and hopefully we'll see some positive trades. So we'll have to wait and see how we do.
That's it for today. How do you think we're doing? Please comment below and let me know how this compares to other investments you've seen. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It should not be taken or interpreted as advice. Until next time.